So, 1, 2, 3, go. What do we have? Okay. So, welcome to GMT Software. Today we are going to be talking about the 12 lucrative digital skill you can acquire. So, why am I saying 12 lucrative digital skill? Well, if you are looking at the job market, you look at the job ratings. There are some jobs, there are some skills that when you acquire them, you are an hotcake in the job market. So I'm actually going to be mentioning 5 of them today, and we continue the remaining tomorrow. Uh, the first one I will talk about is web development. So when we are talking about web development, the whole world has evolved around digital technology now. Everybody, all businesses are on the web. So for you to actually be on the web, you are need a web developer to develop your website or to develop your business application to actually be able to meet up with the demand of people. So, what are the applications that we can relate to the web developer? What are those things that they actually develop? Like we actually do in our everyday activities, your banking application that you go online, your internet banking, is being developed by a web developer. So they actually code it out. They make use of we can make use of coding. We can make use of no code applications to actually do that. So the second one I'm going to be talking about is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity presently now is an hotcake due to a high rise in cybercrime all over the world. So a lot of companies, especially banks, they need cybersecurity experts to actually be able to secure the endpoints of their APIs. So cybersecurity experts are on very high demand in Nigeria now. So the third one I will be mentioning is data analyst. So when we are talking about data analyst, we are talking about people who interpret data. My previous video, my previous videos, I was able to talk about data analyst. They works on data to bring out market insights. So every organization need a data analyst to be able to actually give out a data visualization of how their company looks like. For example, for financial prospects, for investors, and for health sectors, for patients to be able to actually know what is going on inside an organization. Actually, the fourth one I'm going to be talking about is product designers. So product designers, I will say uh, they are relatively related to also graphic designers. So, but what makes them of higher value more than graphic designer is based on the fact that as a product designer, you are the one that you make use of your initiative, you make use of your skills to actually push out a product. So product designer are those ones we contact before we actually develop an application, either a mobile application or a web application. So also, the product designer are people who are highly skilled to be able to dictate how an application to actually function. So the fifth one I'm going to be talking about is mobile application developer. We can actually associate them with also web developers. Mobile application developers are always of high demand based on the fact that everybody are mobile or a lot of people, when we are talking about the percentage of people that are making use of mobile phones in Nigeria, they are high now. So now for us to be able to develop these mobile applications, we need mobile application developers. So it's these mobile application developers that help to code it out and help to actually deploy them on Apple stores or Google Play stores for the end users to make